Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Put out new videos every week. We're making keto egg muffins today, and this is quickly becoming one of my favorite breakfast items. I'm not really a morning person, so I make these the night before, and I just heat them up when I'm ready to have breakfast. We're going to grab a pan here, touch of olive oil, medium heat, and we're going to add our ground sweet sausage. Make sure you get that paper off. We don't really want to cook that for our breakfast muffins. Get all the paper off. Get all the paper off. Alright, now we're ready to go. Let's grab a wooden spoon and we'll just break this up and just cook it till it's browned and cooked through. You could use spicy sausage, whatever you like here. I'm going with the sweet sausage today. This looks good. We'll let this hang out. Get the rest of our ingredients ready. I got an orange bell pepper here. Just going to slice this in half. Remove the seeds here with my hand. Do that for the other side. I'm going to cut it into fours. I'm going to take my knife here and just cut that flesh off. We'll do that for each one. Be careful when doing this, obviously. Be aware of where your fingers are. So with that ready, we'll cut this into strips. And then we'll just take that and we'll dice it up. You could use red bell pepper, green bell pepper. It's the best thing about these keto egg muffins. You can mix and match the ingredients to whatever you're in the mood for. Do the same for the rest of our peppers here. Cut them into strips and then just dice that up. So our peppers are ready to go. I'm going to grab some baby spinach, bunch that up. I'm just going to run my knife through it. Sometimes I like to use kale, use parsley, basil. Today I got spinach. I got my muffin tray here. We'll grab a bowl. I'll start cracking the eggs into the bowl. This recipe works out to be 1 egg per muffin. So we're going to get a total of 6 egg muffins here. Crack all the eggs in there. Hit the muffin tray with some non-stick spray. Season the eggs with salt, some fresh cracked pepper, and then we'll just whisk that egg mixture together. You want to whisk this very thoroughly. I'm going to grate some Gruyere cheese on the bottom of the muffin tin here. Then we'll bring back our cooked sausage, put that over the cheese. And then we'll spoon in about half the egg mixture over the sausage. Then we'll put in our spinach. And putting half the egg mixture just makes it easier than putting all the ingredients in and dumping the egg mixture over that. It tends to make a mess. Bring back our diced peppers on top of the spinach. And then the rest of our spinach on top of the peppers. Bring back the egg mixture, spoon the rest of it over all the other ingredients. I got the oven preheated, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Put a little more black pepper over these eggs. We'll pop these in the oven 20 to 25 minutes. And after 25 minutes, these are done. These look perfect. Still a little hot, so we want to let this cool for a few minutes before we try and take them out. Let these cool 5 minutes or so. You can see they're cooked through. I'm going to grab an offset spatula and just pop them out. That non-stick spray, they should come out relatively easy. And that looks perfect right there. I love the colors from the peppers and the spinach. Put this on a plate. Don't forget this is keto friendly. This is much better than just your standard scrambled eggs in the morning. You can make this again, like I said, the night before. Mix and match any flavors you like. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like the video. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.